Welcome back to Easy Nails. Today we're going to create a super fun and easy dip nail set using a double dip. Use my code GLAMNAILS20 for 20% off. And we're going to create a super easy DIY New Year's nail set. We're going to have lots of gold and glitter in here using all double dip nail products. Okay, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below to be subscribed so you can see all of my fun nail videos. So we are starting with double dip base, and this is a quick dry base, so you want to make sure you work quick. It dries beautifully and applies super creamy and has a very low odor, so you guys want to make sure you always apply this to your prepped and primed nails as a base before you start dipping into your gorgeous colors. And I have a fluffy brush here, just brushing off that excess. And then I'm using a little wooden stick here. You want to make sure you go around your cuticle areas, scrape off any excess glue that is on your skin. You do not want this on your skin. So I'm just dusting off any excess here before I go in with a second layer of base. And I always like to do 2 coats of base. It does not bulky, it just helps the color go on nice and smooth. We're going to do a lovely ombre today with this gorgeous purple color called Magnolia. And first of all, I'm going to pour it into these cupcake trays, you guys. I find using cupcake trays are super easy and fun for dip powder. It makes the job much easier, especially with longer nails. So this blue color here is sea glass, and you guys can see I am just dipping in the first half of the nail, and then I am just using a little spoon here to scoop on the rest, and that gives you a beautiful ombre. I'm just alternating between sea glass and magnolia, the blue and the purple. I am dipping in the first half, and then the second color I am just using a little spoon here to scoop it right over the wet base. All right, you guys, and in between layers, you want to make sure that you brush off with a brush, and it is that easy, you guys, to get a beautiful ombre with dip nails. This blue and purple ombre is absolutely gorgeous. I will leave everything down in the description box below, and you guys can see the technique of how I'm ombreing here. And there you have it, a beautiful ombre. Now I'm putting on another layer of base here because I'm going to go in with some angel paper that I cut up, super fun and sparkly for New Year's. I just cut up angel paper into little pieces. I'm using the base as a glue, and I'm just placing those stripes of angel paper all over the middle finger and the pinky. And then we're going to use champagne gold, beautiful New Year's gold color, very festive. And I'm applying a nice thin layer of that base, and I'm just pouring over this champagne gold right into that cupcake tray. This is a great idea, you guys. Helps you recycle your dip powders. There's no waste. You can pour it right back into your container, or you can just dip your nails directly into the jar. But with longer nails, I think it's much easier just to use a cupcake tray here, you guys, and you do not waste any powder at all. So I'm doing the same process on the first finger, and I'm showing you guys here how you can dip it if you want to. So you can either pour it on top, or you can just dip your nail directly into that powder. And of course, you guys, you want to make sure you are brushing off with a fluffy brush in between the layers of base. And it took me about 2 coats here to get full coverage. Absolutely, again, gorgeous sparkle here, champagne sparkle. Perfect champagne gold, perfect for New Year's. And I absolutely love this look, you guys. It was super easy and super gorgeous for the new year. Again, my code is GLAMNAILS20, 20% off your order. And these are super easy nails to do at home. Here I'm just building up the nail how I would like, and you can pat that wet base into place if you notice any lumps and bumps. It is not hard yet, so you can just take your finger and pat that into place. And then here I am encapsulating with the clear base. You always want to make sure you encapsulate, you guys, so that when you file, none of our gorgeous design files off. So I'm just applying a nice thin layer of that base and pouring the clear base powder on top of it. And you guys, it's nice because the bottles here are color coordinated. So red is your base and yellow is your activator. Really, really easy so that you do not get confused between them. So here I'm just dipping on that base powder after I apply the base liquid. And again, this is just encapsulating your design, basically like covering it so that when you come to file, you will not file it off. So here is the yellow bottle, the activator. And this is a super important step, you guys. This is what hardens everything, makes it hard and ready to be worn. So you really, really want to make sure you go in there with that activator, get everything a nice coat. Do not get it on your skin, but a really generous coat to your nails. Then you can file them, cleanse them. I applied a fun little Happy New Year nail stamp here and a little ball there. We see the ball drop on the ring finger. I'm going in with a gel top coat, or you can use the top coat in our kit, also great. I am just applying lovely top coat to these nails, and you guys can see that sparkle come through, and that gorgeous ombre was super, super easy to do. I hope you guys enjoyed these nails as much as I did. Happy New Year to everybody. Don't forget to use my code GLAMNAILS20. Everything here was doubledipstore.com. Super easy powders to work with, made in the USA. They're 2-in-1. You can also use them as acrylics or as dip powders, whichever you prefer. Fabulous and easy to work with. We're applying a bow there on top. And that is it. Super easy, gorgeous ombre and glitter New Year's nails at home. All right, you guys, I will catch you in the next video. Bye.